Understanding developer challenges with Roblox avatars and customization issues. The introduction provides an overview of Roblox as a platform where avatars play a central role in user identity, customization, and game interaction. It explains the significance of avatars in both player engagement and developer workflows, highlighting how avatar customization enhances creativity but also introduces technical complexity. The purpose of the study is to analyze the types of problems developers encounter with Roblox avatars, based on bug reports from the developer forum. The methodology involves systematically reviewing these reports to identify common patterns and challenges affecting avatar functionality, performance, and user experience. The classification of avatar-related issues begins with layered clothing problems, which are among the most frequently reported. Developers encounter issues such as clothing clipping through avatars, deformation when scaling, random disappearance, and significant performance degradation, especially in complex environments or when used across different platforms. These problems highlight the technical challenges of implementing dynamic clothing systems that must adapt to various avatar types and customizations without compromising stability or visual fidelity. Animation and rigging errors are another major concern, involving failures in character animations, broken idle states, and inconsistencies in how avatars move or respond to actions. Dynamic heads often fail to track motion correctly, and facial animations can break under certain conditions, especially when avatars are scaled or modified. Developers also report issues with rig components like motor 6D joints resetting unexpectedly, leading to deformed avatars and disrupted gameplay experiences. Accessory and UGC challenges focus on problems with positioning, scaling, visibility, and texture rendering of user-generated accessories. Developers frequently face validation errors when uploading content, inconsistencies between how accessories appear in studio versus live games, and instances where items become invisible or distorted. These issues complicate the process of creating and deploying UGC, undermining both developer creativity and the reliability of avatar customization for players. Avatar configuration and tooling bugs reflect systemic problems with the tools provided for managing avatars. Auto-setup processes often fail or become stuck, validation systems can be inaccurate or overly restrictive, and developers experience inconsistent behavior when transitioning avatars from studio to live environments. Additionally, user interface flaws in editor services create friction in the development process, making it harder to implement and test avatar-related features effectively. Synchronization, performance, and stability issues are widespread, with developers reporting frequent frame rate drops, application freezing, server crashes, and memory leaks linked to avatar loading and modification. These technical instabilities not only disrupt gameplay but also pose significant challenges for developers trying to maintain smooth, responsive experiences, particularly in games with high levels of avatar customization or dynamic content. Avatar type enforcement problems arise when settings intended to force specific avatar types, such as R6 or R15, are ignored or overridden by the engine. This leads to unintended behavior, where avatars load in incorrect formats, causing compatibility issues with animations, accessories, and game mechanics designed for a specific avatar type. These conflicts complicate game design and can lead to inconsistent player experiences. Security vulnerabilities and exploits are also prevalent, particularly within the UGC ecosystem. Developers report instances where malicious users exploit flaws to steal assets, bypass restrictions, or introduce game-breaking items. These vulnerabilities threaten the integrity of games and undermine trust in the platform's ability to manage user-generated content safely and reliably. Root causes of these issues stem from the inherent complexity of Roblox's avatar systems, which must balance flexibility, customization, and performance across diverse environments. Inconsistencies between development tools and live game behavior, the challenges of scaling UGC, and limitations in validation frameworks contribute to recurring problems. The lack of comprehensive testing and the dynamic nature of avatar interactions further exacerbate these systemic weaknesses. The implications for developers and users include disrupted development workflows, increased debugging time, and negative impacts on player experience, such as visual glitches, lag, or broken customization features. Performance instability can lead to player frustration and reduced retention, while unresolved security issues pose risks to both developers' intellectual property and players' in-game experiences. The reliability of the platform is called into question when such problems persist. Recommendations focus on enhancing validation and testing procedures to catch issues earlier, improving consistency across platforms and environments, and strengthening security protocols for UGC. Providing developers with more robust tools, clearer documentation, and responsive support channels would help mitigate many of the recurring challenges. Additionally, fostering a feedback loop between Roblox and its developer community could lead to more proactive identification and resolution of avatar-related issues. The conclusion summarizes the key findings of the analysis, emphasizing the critical need for stability and reliability in avatar systems to support both developers and players. It highlights the ongoing importance of addressing technical, performance, and security challenges to ensure a seamless and engaging customization experience. Future directions point toward continuous improvement of Roblox's avatar infrastructure, with a focus on scalability, developer empowerment, and user satisfaction.